Welcome. If you prefer using Roblox in light mode, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the updated steps to enable light mode on Roblox using the app on your Android device. It's quick and easy, so let's get started. Step 1. First, launch the Roblox app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged in with your account. Step 2. Once you're inside the app, look for the 3 dots or the menu icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it to open the main menu. Step 3. In the menu, tap on Settings. This will bring up all the options you need to customize your account. Step 4. Now, select Account Info. This is where you can change settings related to your profile and other account preferences. Step 5. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Theme. Tap on it to open the theme settings. Step 6. From here, select Light Mode. To enable it, you'll immediately see the app switch to a bright, clean interface. And that's it. You've successfully switched to light mode on Roblox. This will give you a more vibrant and lighter look for your Roblox experience. If you ever want to switch back to dark mode, just follow the same steps. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Roblox tips and updates. See you in the next one.